You don't have anything to worry about. I'm sure he will be fine.
I pray so too.
Yeah, he will.
My mom and I are planning to go to the hospital.
Okay.
Do you mind going with us?
Okay, I will.
Alright. Let me go get ready.
Okay.
I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Alright. Don't you dare touch anything in this palace. Stupid. Hi. What? What? What did you just address me with? Hi. What do you take me for? A poor, wretched girl in your class? Anyway, it is obvious you've lost your respect for this palace because my stupid sister decided to mingle with a nobody like you. Foolish girl. Get out! Come back here. Come back. Come back. Come back! No. Foolish girl.
Ụgwọọlụ gị na-abịanụ onye na-eme njọ mesịa mbọsị ikpe na-abịanụ.
And where do you think you are going? Eh?
There I go.
Where do you think you are going to? Eh? Where are you going?
Mama, there is nothing you say or do this morning that will bring out money from my pocket. Yes, the economic inflation is highly magnanimous. We have yam and apple in the barn. You can help yourself with that.
Hey! Hey! Somebody na mwam. Hey! Hey! I am waiting for you. You will still come back and meet me here. Just take a look at your mates. Almost all of them, if not all of them, they are happily married with their kids. And you are here waiting for Princess Chioma. Continue wasting your time. Continue deceiving yourself. You will know what you do to yourself when the time comes. When the time comes.
Mama, you cannot frustrate me the way you did to Papa. Yes, I am learned. You can never manipulate me this morning. Yes, women's problem is frustratingly frustrating.
Hey! Hey! Somadina is accusing me falsely! Hey! Somadina is accusing me forcefully. Hey! Amala mi bubiano! Biakwanu! Hey! Don't worry. You will come back here and treat me. I am waiting for you. Don't worry. Hey! Opage, come on. You will come back and meet me. Aman.
Chama, where's my guest? you send her out? I am talking to you.
What if I did? Would you fight me? I don't think so.
Amanda! Amanda!
Yes, Sochi. Sochi, please, let's go.
Amanda, tell me the truth. Did Choma send you out? You know what? There are limits to the things I can take from Choma. I mean, I'm also a princess, just like she is in this palace. So she has no right to send you out. Choma! You are biting more than you can chew. You have no right to send my guest out! And you have no right to also treat my guest rudely. You're trying me.
Point of correction. If you look closely, you would see that there is a lot of differences between us. Now, when you're done ranting, take your low life of a friend out of this palace.
Choma, you're insulting me. You're insulting me! Sochi!
You're making noise.
How dare you!
Sochi, let's go now.
Allow me to treat this idiot.
No, let's go. Let's go, Sochi.
I need to put her in her place!
Stop! I don't want to. Let's go. I said, let's go.
Fool! Try me next time, Choma!
I told you. Can you just listen to me?
Kunyalulwa na lusia Ukwolo gina piano Onye neme njo mesia Bossy na piano No matter what you do in the dark Mesia no ya potifena Ife danyana na mili nemesio Yese kwa nenu
Jason! Oh my goodness! Jason!
What's up?
Jason! Is this you?
Yeah.
I think it's been like 2 decades or more, right?
Yeah, it's been such a long time. How have you been? And what are you doing here?
Well, this is my palace. And you? What are you doing here?
You mean you live here?
Sure.
My girl stays here. Her name is Luchy. You know her?
Hi, baby.
Hey, you're here. What's up, babe? How are you?
I'm good.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Choma, it's been a long time.
Oh, sure.
You look so good.
Thank you. I mean, you too. You're looking so good yourself.
Oh, great.
We have a little catching up to do, you know, right?
Exactly. We do have
come
a...
in.
Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
You know her?
Yeah, Choma and I, we've been friends a long time. University days, actually.
Long time.
Exactly.
Long time. You should come in.
Oh, great. Babe, come.
Come in.
Come.
What is going on here? And you're just looking at them like that. You know what? I want you to go in there. I want you to go and see things to yourself. I'll come and see you later. Okay? Yes.
Come in. Come.
Wow.
Please sit. Sit.
Yeah.
What?
I'm so surprised to see you again.
Same here.
You still look your good old self.
Oh, thank you.
Right.
But I mean, what do they say? Old habit never dies, right? So like I said, we have a lot of catching up to do.
Exactly.
Where have you been?
Oh, do I heard you went to Germany? Is that true?
Well, it's a long story actually.
Really? Yeah. Jason!
Stop this madness. He's my guest, not yours. We need to go to a more private place so we can talk. We don't need crowd.
And by crowd, you mean?
Let's go.
What?
Come with me.
Sorry, I was just trying to say hello to my old friend.
No? Did you say you know this guy that came looking for such info? He's such a young, promising man. He looks intelligent. This is the kind of man you need around you, not a bloody civil servant who roams the street with umbrella and bag like a lunatic. Choma, how could you let such a man, such opportunity slip through your finger?
Mom.
Yes? Now listen. Shoot your shot at him. Aim your target at the right direction. It is never too late.
Thank you.
Welcome. Easy.
That's from you. Thank you.
Go ahead, please.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. So, you alright?
Hello. Here comes my mother.
Hello. Nice to meet you, Mom.
Mother.
Oh, good day, Mom.
Jason.
Yeah.
Here is my mother.
Right.
The best mom in the whole world. She's also my best friend. Mother, meet Jason. The God sent to me. The man that has stolen my heart.
Right. Nice to meet you, Mom.
Jason, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
I will leave both of you to enjoy yourself.
Thank you very much.
Drink. If you need anything, please, just let me know.
No problem.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Your mom is really nice.
You didn't hear what I said to you before. She's the best mom in the whole world.
Right.
What is all this? Why would Jess be treating me like this? Am I a child? Am I not beautiful? Am I not beautiful?
Calm down. Eh? You have to calm down. There are many ways to settle this kind of issues. Eh?
Mama, you promised to talk to him. Why did you not talk to him? You gave me your words. What happened to those words? Why did you not convince him? Why did you not tell him to come and see my parents? Why did you not ask him to marry me? Why?
I promised to talk to him, and I talked to him. You know how Chukwemeka, my son, used to behave. I've been talking to him, and I will be talking to him until he has...
Mama, keep talking to him until he does every word you have to say to him. Talk to him.
Yes.
He needs to come and marry me. I will not allow another woman reap where she did not sow. How will Jesse do this to me after everything I've done for him? After all the years I wasted? Mama, if Jesse does not marry me, I swear with my life, I swear on my late mother's grave, I will kill Jesse, kill the woman, and kill myself.
No, take it back. Take that word back. Mbano. Nobody is killing anyone. My own son. See, the most important thing is that you have my support. Mama,
I need your support. I need your support not just in words, but also in actions. It's either me or nobody else. Jason must marry me. You see all those years I waited for him. All those things, all those times, my time. I gave him my time. I gave him my body. I gave him my soul, my care, everything in me. I poured it out on your son. It's either me or no one. All those weights will not be in vain. Oh, my man.
You have my support. You have my support. Eh? You have my support. Did you hear me?
Man, don't touch me! Don't touch me!
You have my support. Eh?
You better talk to your son. Talk to your son, oh! Talk to your son! After everything! This boy drank me like water! He drank me like Fanta! He drank me like Midankwa! Took me to all the bushes in this village! And now he wants to abandon me! He wants to abandon me! Oh, my man! It will not happen! Oh, my man, wow! Hey! Oh, my man, what?
Jason?
Hi.
Yes, I'll meet my mother.
Oh.
Queen Esther.
Oh.
Mom? Jason, I just told you about him, right?
Oh, my pleasure to meet you, Mom.
Oh, you are welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Choma told me how close both of you were back in school.
Right.
And I believe it's not too late to hook up again.
Oh.
You know the words of a wise man, they say old wine is sweeter. The older, the sweeter. I believe you will make a good decision. So tell me, are you leaving already?
Oh, yes, I am. No, yes, my baby and I, we are headed to the hospital to see the Igwe.
Oh, very well. My lovely daughter Choma is also on her way to see her father in the hospital. So if you don't mind, maybe she could join you.
No.
Why?
Choma is going nowhere with us.
Excuse me.
Just
my queen, babe, that's okay.
It is not okay.
That's okay.
It is not.
So, baby, see you later, Mom. It's alright.
Listen, wait, wait. Wait.
Whoa, Mom, later.
Wait, whoa. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay, baby. Okay, let's go.
Okay, can you guys? Okay.
Oh no. I couldn't stop thinking about what you told me the other day you visited the palace.
I am glad you decided to honor my call. It is about the throne. What plan do you have about the throne?
Honestly, I don't have any plan for now. My son Obinna, may his soul rest in peace. My son's supposed to take over from the father. But death, oh.
Put yourself together, my queen. Put yourself together. That is why I called you here. So that we can put our heads together. 2 heads are better than 1. There is a solution. The throne can still come to you, Lola Maraji.
Oh no, I don't understand.
Get your daughter Princess Sochi married at once. Once she's married, her husband is automatically qualified to sit on the throne, since there is no male child in the royal palace.
Oh no, but the Igwe is still alive. He's not dead. Moreover, this is not the right time to discuss this. I am still mourning my son. Your suggestion is that you want the Igwe to die.
Yeah. God forbid. But death is a debt that everyone will pay someday. Our people say that a stitch in time saves 9. Let's start looking for the black goat while it is still daytime, before the night comes. My queen, I am just being concerned.
In fact, I am out of here.
Mom, I honestly seem not to understand you. I don't.
You know what? Sochi has found for herself a worthy partner. He's rich, educated, good looking, and seems very enlightened.
Mom, you cannot assess someone from afar.
This young man has the charisma of a king. That is the kind of a man I want for you.
I'm trying, Mom. I am trying. Somebody...
Stop! Don't mention that name here. I am talking about a real man who has the charisma of leadership. And you are here talking about a man who looks like a cattle rearer. We don't rear cattle or animals here. We rule human beings. Do you get that?
You're joking, right?
Hell no! I am not joking. You know what? I am going to find one for you because I have seen that you are finding it difficult to get a wealthy, a reasonable man for yourself. Behave like my daughter. Behave royal. You're a princess.
Omewoya, Jehovah Chime, Omewoya, Anglo Omewoya, Omewoya no Geya, Omewoya, Jehovah Chime, Omewoya, Anglo Omewoya, Omewoya no Geya, Jesus Omewoya, Omewoya, Jehovah. Mama, you've been staring at me for a while now. What do you want this time around?
Somadina, I am concerned about you. In fact, I am worried about you. Yes.
Mama, as far as I'm concerned, I've not given you any reason to be worried about me. I know where you're driving at. I know it's because of my relationship with Chioma, isn't it?
And so? What if that is where I am driving to? Somadina, can't you understand? Can't you understand that you and Chioma are not meant to be together? The distance between your level and that of Chioma is like trekking from here to Oka Etiti.
Mama, what are you insinuating? Who is here, who is in Oka Etiti?
Oh, if you must know, you are here while your so-called Chioma is far away in Oka Etiti. See, let me tell you. The earlier you wake up from this your slumber, the better for you. Somadina, are you walking out on me?
No, I'm walking in on you.
Somadina!
Why are you doing this to me? Just tell me, what is it you want that I can't give to you? Huh?
Izuna, I am not interested in whatever you have to give. I have told you time without numbers that I am not interested in you. I cannot and will never have anything to do with you. Stop pestering my life.
Tell me, what does that boy, Jackson have that I can't even give to you? All I ask is for you to give me a chance so that I can make you mine forever. Is it difficult to understand?
Jason has everything to offer while you have nothing to offer. Can't you understand that I don't love you? Okay, let me shock you. Jason is not just a man to me. He is my life, my world. In fact, he is far better than 1,000 of you put together. Stop disturbing me, else you will not like me next time.
Izuna, please do not be angry. I will talk to her. Eh? Don't be angry. Mori! Mori!
Or something. What has Jason given to you that you cannot let him go? Has he charmed you or what?
Can't you get this? There is nothing anyone can say that will make me leave Jason. Jason is my life. He is the air that I breathe. He is my kidney. In fact, we have been entwined together. It is either Jason or no one else. I am useless in life without him. It is Jason that I want, and that is on a period.
Oh, will you just shut up? Shut up your mouth and listen to yourself. He is the air that you breathe. Without Jason, you are useless. You are this. How can you allow just a common man to determine whatever happens in your life?
I don't know why you are drinking paracetamol for my own headache. Are you the one that will make choices for me in life? Why don't you allow me to live my life?
It's because I'm your friend and I need to tell you the truth.
That you are my friend does not give you the right to tell me what to do. Allow me to do what I want to do.
You are actually going...
Queen Esther, you are welcome.
Thank you, Ajahn.
A toad does not run in daytime in vain. Either it's after something or something is after it. What is after you, Queen Esther?
You're right, Ajahn. My daughter. My daughter needs a man. In fact, I want a man for my daughter. I have seen the spirit and the charisma of a leadership in that man. What must I do for the man to be ours?
Ajahn Woge. Has Ajahn disappointed you before?
Never. And that is why I am here.
I have something for you.
Hey! I don't say look at me. Miliamakwam. God! Why me? Why me? Hey! Ufumai! Hey!
Just pull yourself together, mother.
Hey!
Remember, you're not meant to scream.
Another attack. He had another attack.
Madam, please, noise is not allowed here. It is not good for the health of our patients.
My dear, you won't understand. You won't understand. I don't want anything to happen to my husband. Doctor.
Your Highness.
Doctor, what about my father?
Doctor, where's my father? What about him?
Where's my husband? Listen, calm down, calm down. Talk to me. Where's my husband?
We lost him.
No! No!
He's dead?
So sorry. My condolences.
Hey!
Doctor, you have to break him up! You need to break him up!
Husband, no son. I understand. Hey! Ufuman! God of our land!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Era priya computer. Take this. Take! That is a very strong charm. Handle it carefully. She must apply it once a week. And she must hug the man once a week after applying days. On no account will she miss it.
Thank you, Ajahn.
Mm.
Thank you very much. You said she must apply it at least once every week.
Mm-hmm.
And hug the man. And she mustn't miss it. That is unfair.
The moment she does that, the young man becomes hers.
Thank you, Ajahn.
Eh? Yeah, Banaba. Where do we go? What's our comment?
Thank you, Ajahn.
Eh?
I'll be on my way.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Mama?
Welcome.
Good afternoon. All is well.
Your husband-to-be is back, and it's obvious he is not happy. You have to go and find out what the problem is. Go and talk to him.
Ha, Mama. What if I go there and he refuses to talk to me?
Then you have to make him talk to you. It's time you start rendering your wifely duty to him. He is not happy. Talk to him. Find out what the problem is. Then help him to calm down. Go and do that.
Mama.
Go, you are saying Mama.
He looks angry.
Ne, it is your duty to calm him down. Eh? Go and talk to him. Calm him down. Eh?
Agenda is dead.
What is going on? Oh no. Oh, that's... What happened? Chi? What?
No, my queen. No.
My husband!
No, my queen. It is an abomination. Please get yourself together.
They have killed my husband.
No, Queen Esther. It's an abomination. Please get yourself together.
They have killed my husband. No! Amarachi, why? Why?
Queen Esther, please get yourself together. Please.
Okay.
Hey!
Okay. Good afternoon, sir. How was your day?
Fine.
You look worried. Is anything bothering you? I mean, would you like to share it with someone?
Wait, Maureen. If something was bothering me, why would I share it with you? Why do you think I would want to share it with you?
Jason, I am only trying to be helpful in my own little way.
Oh, really? Okay, tell me. What type of solution would you give me? Huh? What solution can you offer me? Frying Gary in the market? Or selling okra in the market?
I told Mama, I told Mama, Osim Jebe. I told Mama, Osim go. Mama, I told you.
What happened?
You needed to see how he pushed me down. He even shouted at me.
You have to go inside and talk to him. Huh? Go and talk to him.
Mama, I'm not going. I go and see.
You bring out that your brain of love and hand it over to him. Go! I'm solidly behind you. Go!
Mama, what you doing to this and I'm in love?
Go and talk to him. Go inside and talk to him.
Let me calm down.
Calm down and then go and calm him down inside. Go! Go inside! Go! Go inside. Go!
My dear, how have you been holding up?
This is hard. I can't believe that Dad is gone. And he's gone forever.
Well, yes. He's gone. And gone forever. Speaking about forever, Chairman, it is the joy of every mother to secure a happy future for their daughters. And Jason is the only one who will give you a happy life. We need money. Everyone needs money to be happy.
Well, I am not the one he loves. He is in love with Sochi. He's in allegiance with her.
Allegiances, shifts. Here. This is a special charm from my spiritual director.
Charm? How no?
Do you want Jason or not?
Chukwuemeka, we may not know the value of what we have until we have lost it. You used to love Maureen
when she was young. You even meant her family to understand that you will marry her. She confided in me that you took her virginity 5 years ago before you traveled abroad. Chukwuemeka, I want you to give me one reason why you suddenly turned your back against this girl.
Mama.
Please allow me to finish. Maureen has done nothing but to love you. The only sin she committed was loving you. This girl left this house today crying her eyes out because of what you did.
Mama, listen to me. Listen good. What? I don't have time for this. I don't have time for no village girl.
Chukwuemeka, Maureen is now a common village girl. Eh? Do not say that I did not warn you. The type of love she has for you is difficult to find these days.
Mama, listen to me. If you love her so much, then get a husband for her. I am not the only man in the world. There are 2 billion men everywhere. Please, I'm tired. I want to go and sleep.
Well, Choma, this is the solution to all your worries. The ticket to your happiness.
Mom, there is no way you are convincing me into taking this. No. This is disgusting.
Well, I am not trying to convince you. I am telling you it is what you must do. Apply this oil tonight all over your body and hug him. Once you hug him, he becomes yours forever. And do not forget, always apply this at least once every week. Unfairly.
This is ridiculous.
Ridiculously the only ticket to your happily ever after with your prince. It's a choice.
Ụgwọọlụ gị na-abịanụ onye na-eme njọ mesịa mbọsị ikpe na-abịanụ. No matter what you do in the dark, emesịa nọ ya pụta ife na ife danyere na mmiri na-emesị ọya esekwa n'enunu. Yeah, I take it life for jeje. Yeah. What is yours will be your own. You don't need to fight, you don't need to quarrel. Life na jeje can you lay away.
Have you seen it? Have you seen the huge embarrassment your coming here has cost me? Have you seen it?
What do you mean by that? Are you not my baby again?
So what? That makes you feel you can walk into this palace anytime to see me. I am a princess, Somatina. You should understand who I am and respect my position in this village, Somatina.
My angel.
Birds of the same feathers.
Flock together. Just imagine.
Hey! Some people will not even allow us to know when the weather has changed.
That means you did not even miss me at all. It's been a while we saw each other. You did not even miss me. Whereas I was in my office thinking about you, I couldn't even concentrate again. I decided to stop by to see your pretty face. Look at the way you're talking to me.
Look. Day in, day out, they are carrying bag and they are carrying shoes. Tampos.
Look at his shoes. I swear to God. The shoe is facing heaven.
So they have hard trouser.
You know what?
I'll be inside. And when next you're coming, try to drop this umbrella and bag. In fact, don't ever come here again without proper invitation. You hear me?
The Afia trouser is making me to laugh.
I don't understand. He will not allow us to know when there is a rain or sun.
I don't understand.
Carrying umbrella up and down.
Atenga.
Hello.
See how he's looking like one.
Imagine.
This one doesn't even eat.
What is he telling me?
I don't know.
Socrates made me to understand that any day a man falls in love, a fool is born. But please, don't take me to be a fool. I am now embarrassing you, Chioma.
Princess Chioma.
Hey! Enugu obodo ụsụ. Ọ ka nsi je. Hi. How do I explain this to my mother? Hi.
Sit back. Umbrella man.
What are you doing? What is the meaning of this madness? Hey. I don't know what has come over you, but on the count of 5, I want you to come out. 1, 2, 3.
On the count of 22, I am not coming down. You think I don't know you're going to see that useless princess? Let's go together. You need to tell her that I am your first wife.
My elders, we have not all gathered here to continue mourning. So we have to enter into the business of the day. I summoned this meeting, this very urgent meeting, for us to discuss the way forward of our great kingdom. Since Igwe Ochendo is dead, Igwe Ochendo one of Ufuma, Onwale Dirora. Oh, our princess was well. Or the Iboma the 8th. He's no more with us. We have to start preparation for the Igwe's last offer. At the same time, we have to start looking for the person to crown as the next Igwe. Since our late Igwe left no male child for the throne, we have to be humble and see what we do. That is why I summoned this.
Wow! Look who we have here.
My queen.
Justin.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
When did you arrive?
A few moments ago.
And why are you standing here? Come inside.
Oh.
Come on, sit down.